flowers you never saw bloom are reaching for the morning light. They open softly every year beneath the same old sky. The flowers you never saw bloom carry pieces of your name, and every petal seems to whisper that love still remains. The bench where we once sat together still faces toward the hill. Sometimes I go and watch the sunset and imagine you there still. The breeze moves gently through the field like fingers through forgotten days, and every blossom swaying